Good evening. Today we're going to present our lesson plan. So before we start with the presentation, we would like to introduce ourselves. So first of all, my name is AFFEL KREE JICKSON,
My name is SHAZWAN bin MUSAH.
and we're going to present our lesson plan today. So for the set induction, uh, the first thing would be the greeting the student. So it would go like this. Okay, so hello student, good morning everyone. Today we're going to learn about King Arthur. So do you recognize any of this picture on the screen? Okay, so basically asking about the picture so that the prior knowledge can be activated. Okay, moving on. With the set induction, we're going to show a short trailer of the movie King Arthur. So basically, while while showing the video, the teacher might can ask a little bit questions like the interesting part, what is the message, for example. Okay, so let's start the video a little bit. Okay, after we are done with the video, the teachers, will share links to the students. So the link will direct the students to Wayground where they will answer uh, quizzes there. So Wayground is previously known as quizzes. Okay, so basically we answer the quizzes there. Okay, so for the next part, I will give it to Shazwan. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ethel. So for this part, this is for during reading. So essentially, while reading the activity, they can also do quizzes to actively reading. So essentially, our skill that we pick is scanning. The main point. So essentially, I give question that is based on the passage or article that we put on the side. So essentially, there is 7 question and 2 article that they can open. They are given 10 minutes. So essentially, they'll go over each question and they can choose whichever question they want to answer every time within 10 minutes, and the test will end after 10 minutes. Every time they open this, they will be given their own pace. Now we are in the post reading. Essentially, afterwards they should have a general knowledge, prior knowledge exposure to King Arthur. So now that we will instruct the student to enter into groups, preferably 4 to 6 students, to create a mind map. Essentially, questions that is posted on a Padlet that we will send into the group chat, that link to this Padlet that they can submit. Essentially, in the Padlet, we, the teacher, will post the guideline of questions that they can use to be used as their main point of mind map to help them guide. And then they'll be given 15 minutes essentially to answer this.
All right, thank you, Shazwan. Okay, so to close up the class, to end the class, the teacher will do the usual thing, which is summing up all of the class. So the lesson would go like this. Okay, okay, everyone, thank you for listening for in this class. So before we end this class, I want to ask you a few questions. So do you want to live in the same era as King Arthur? Okay, so that's essentially what will be going on at the closure of the classes. And the teacher must not forget to say thank you for the attention. So it will go like, thank you everyone for listening. Thank you very much. And that's all from us. Thank you for listening.